So the glue is completely dried, and you can see the top of the brass tube. It's just below the surface, but we're going to mill that in a second. This side, hard to tell, but you see about a 1/16 of an inch to an 1/8 of an inch, the brass tube is set below. We're going to mill that perpendicular and flat on both ends. So the tube will be the exact size that we need, the blank, and it'll be perpendicular, the hole to the top. So when we put the parts together, everything is flush. So we're at the drill press and we're going to mill the pen blank. We have the tube again, just proud on both sides, set in. And this is a pen centering jig. We have a milling tool with carbide inserts to mill the ends flush. And we're just going to give that a little kiss right below. The brass shows up nice and shiny. It'll be good to go. See, the brass is nice and shiny. I'm going to do the other side, and you'll see how this is milled. It's flush, and this is dirty. And when we see a clean end and the brass, we'll know it's all finished. There's the shiny tube. This is flush and clean. And now we're all ready to turn on the lathe.